Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to pay your Rakuten mobile bill. So this guide will walk you through the simple steps to pay your Rakuten mobile bill and manage your account with ease. So let's get straight into it. Now, to access your accounts, you can either open it on the web browser, so visit the official Rakuten mobile website, click on the My Page or Login button, and then enter your Rakuten ID or password, or you can open it through the Rakuten mobile app. So download the app from your app store, and then open the app and log in with your credentials. And then access your account details directly from the home screen. Then you have to understand your bill. So navigating your bill is crucial for your informed payment. Here's what to look for. First, the current bill amount. So this is the total amount due for your current billing cycle. Next is the due date, so the last day you can pay without incurring late fees, and the usage details, so a breakdown of data, calls, and SMS usage. And now choose your payment method, so either credit card, bank transfer, or digital payment. So each one of them has its perks, so choose whatever is the best for you. And then next thing is to complete your payment. So enter your details by carefully inputting your chosen payment information, then review everything, double check the amount and details before finalizing, and then confirm and execute the payment by clicking pay or confirm to complete the transaction. And that's it. Now you will receive a payment confirmation via email or via an in-app notification. And in the transaction history, you can always verify your payment in the billing or payment history section of your account. And that's it, guys. If you need assistance, you can also call the mobile Rakuten support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Rakuten Mobile's customer support. You can also visit their official website for contact options, including chat for all FAQ sections. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.